And Mine Crypto here. I hope we're all having a wonderful day and Merry Christmas to you. And the title of the video is 7,000%. Please subscribe, please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more videos. And remember, hit that like button, you'll be doing me a massive favor. Remembering none of this is financial advice, I am not a financial advisor. None of the information provided in this video should ever be taken as a signal to buy or to sell. But first and foremost, we look at these crypto bubbles. Wow, the price action has literally taken some action. We are at that $153 mark. And those of you who got here to this point, well done, because it has been tormenting all the way up. But remember, I'm not here for these prices. I want to hold until I see some real action, some big action. We are up 4 ranks to 47. We've made that rank top 50, but I believe personally we're going to be seeing a lot better than that over the coming months. With a market cap of $1.85 billion and 24-hour volume just shy of that 100 million in the last 24 hours. Absolutely major. As you can see, we're up 0.6% in the hour, up 12.8% in the day, and up 38.7% in the week. Now that does look nice. Now, I go over to Coinpedia Markets and he says here, price up to $152, trading above the 50-day and the 200-day EMAs. The buying volume increased rapidly and the price also got positively impacted. $166 en route. So we are looking at some more price action by the looks of this. RSI is at 81, suggesting bulls will lead the rally. And as we can see, this lovely green candle, I think everybody loved that Christmas present. I know I did. It was nice to see it. It was nice to see everybody sort of, bit G'd up because obviously we've had lackluster over the last few months. Now, I have been busy with my posts, just looking at what's going on market depth wise, and I saw this. Not seen the exchange reserves this low for some time. Last time we were at these levels on the centralized exchange reserves, it was May 2021 where we saw the price climb and go to its all-time high of $428 on September 11th, 2021, currently sitting at a 1.368 million quant. And that's all we want. We want to see this positive action, and this, as I keep saying, as we look at the exchange flow, there is a big gap forming. And are we going to start seeing some real price action in the coming days, weeks, months? And also, so I'm seeing a tons of big transactions now. Now, if that's not a signal for someone to think, well, the money's coming, well, I don't know what is, but for me, it basically represents that. Now, this one I saw, I've been following this wallet for some time. And I got the figure wrong, by the way. I put 66,000 quant moved from Bitvevo to a private wallet, but actually it was 166,000 quant. Absolutely massive. I was probably a bit blurry-eyed, but you can check out on Etherscan here. I did put this out. The value is absolutely huge, and we can see $22 million was moved out of the centralized exchange into a private wallet. Now, that could just be for storage. We don't know because obviously not knowing what these are, but we know they are moving and they're moving off exchanges, which always looks much better and feels better because the sell pressure declines with them being on a private wallet. Now, we can also see this. I noticed this the other day, caused a big stir actually, because some people are like, well, how do you know it's Revolut? Well, if you go onto the Arkham Intel website and you type in the address, you will see it has a header of Revolut. Now, Revolut positioning themselves, I guess they needed some extras from CB to service their customers. Now, some of you may or may not know that Revolut actually sell crypto. You can store your crypto and you can buy it. Now, we saw a transaction of 4,285 quant, a value of $581,000. And this was from Coinbase yet again. Seems like a lot of these big buys are flowing from Coinbase into these private wallets for whatever reason. Again, we're seeing lots, and I've only just brought you a few there. One wallet I saw had transactions of $1 million within literally hours, just stacking up. And it was actually one of the newer wallets getting in there at these prices. And that was around about $130 mark. So since then, we're at the 150 plus mark, which is absolutely amazing. Now, I saw this. I love these. Sometimes it fits the sentiment as well. He says, F it, 10,000 is on the cards. I repeat, 10,000 is on the cards. Now, I don't know whether it is, but Isn't it nice that everybody's so excited, especially at this time of year, big Christmas present? I don't think we're going to see that anytime soon, but it's just, it's a bit of fun, I think. But it certainly is possibility in many years. This is why I'm holding until 2030. That's just the way I see it. I will hold a majority of my coins until then, but obviously, if I see some value earlier, then I will take some profit from the table. And as you can see here, 7,000% from where we are would see $10,000, which is absolutely madness. But is it? That's the question. Could we see bigger than this? Well, we'll have to wait and see. And we see this from Construction Trader ETH, trillions are coming. Now, if this is true, then that 10,000 doesn't seem that far away. So let's have a listen to this.
So in 5 years' time, where it's going to be, I think value will be derived in the trillions because excuse me, because we will be transacting with new markets and new customers. And then I think in about 10 years' time, the way you send money on your mobile phone to a third party, and the way you buy and sell goods, it's going to be like that, but global. You're not limited to your local country or your local jurisdiction. So it's going to be seamless. And in the end, in the back end, no one's going to care how it works. They just want to know, I can do business with this company in this jurisdiction, and everything's okay, and we can trust each other.
Wow, so patience is key, and nobody will even care about the technology that's being used. And as you said, they'll just want to be able to move their money seamlessly and from country to country, which is very, very exciting. And just to put all this into some perspective, I see this one from Clocky. When people realize Quant is still only at 1.77 billion market cap, but they will be willing to buy Sol at 48.3 billion market cap, which is a 23x from current prices. If Sol were to 23x from here, it would need a $1.1 trillion market cap, which is absolutely huge, which is $2,650 at the end of the day per Solana. So you've got to look at this in perspective. The small market cap, 1.77 billion. If you believe in quant like I do, I see big things incoming. So I like to keep things in perspective. So there you go. All the best, and I'll catch you later.